Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about radical equations. This maths is intended to the grade 9 students. So I have here square root of 3a plus a is equals to 4. So first thing to do is apply SBS. What is SBS stands for? Squaring both sides. So meaning I need to square both sides. So this will be crossed out. So I have 3a plus a is equals to, what is 4 squared? 4 squared means 4 times 4. So this will be equal to 16. 16. So sum this one. Sum up 3a plus a. This will be 4a is equals to 16. Solve for the value of a. Divide 4 both sides. 4 will be crossed out. A equals 4. So I have now the root a equals 4. Now let us check this one if this is correct. So substitute in the given equation. So this will be 3a plus a equals 4. So square root of, this will be 4a, right? Equals 4. So square root of 4 times 4 equals 4. This will be square root of 16 equals 4. Square root of 16 is 4 is equals to 4. So therefore, my root is correct. A equals 4. That's